Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this burgundy and gold fall makeup look. To start out this look, we're going to be using the Maybelline Master Concealer in the color Fair, and I'm going to be using this as a primer for my lids. Next, with a translucent powder, I'm going to be putting this over top of the concealer. Next, using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, I'm going to start with the shade Love, which is a light pink shade. And I'm going to be putting this in the crease and blending out towards my eyebrows. I want this color to be very blended out to create a smoky look. Next, using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be using the shade Venitian Red, putting this in the outer corners of the crease and blending into the pink. I will also be taking this color onto the lid on the outer corner and the inner corner. Next, I'll be using the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette for the shade Fetish, which is a dark red shade. And we're going to be putting this in the outer corners only, blending slightly into the burgundy color we used before. Next, we'll be using the Norvina palette again for the shade Passion, which is a dark burgundy color. Now going underneath the eye with the same Venetian Red color we used earlier. Then, using the Norvina palette again, we're going to be using the sparkly color Summer, which is a gold sparkly color. To apply this, I'm using a little bit of the MAC Prep and Prime spray and spraying the brush and then applying the eyeshadow to the brush. Using the spray helps the eyeshadow adhere to the eye better. We'll be putting this in the middle of the eye and blending outwards towards the burgundy color. Next, we'll be using the Juvia's Place The Warrior palette for the shade Bakwa. And I'm going to be putting this gold color in the middle of the eye, blending it into the previous gold color. Then, using the Modern Renaissance palette again, we're going to go in with the color Primavera, which is a very light gold color. And we're going to be putting this in the very center of the eye. Next, I'll be using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara. Here I'm using a light brown powder to contour my nose and cheekbones. Next, using a CoverGirl Bronzer Blush Duo, I'm going to be putting this on my cheeks. Next, I'll be using the LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancer in the color Moonbeam. And finally, using the LA Colors Matte Lipsticks in the shade Spicy, which And this completes my burgundy and gold fall autumn makeup look. I think this would be a great look for Thanksgiving and other fall events. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you guys again soon.